Hey there, my friend William James here, and in this video I want to talk really quickly about what I think is the biggest scam online. So if you're new to the channel, here again, my name is William James. I do videos for network marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, people who are looking to start and grow an online business. I specialize in Facebook marketing, organic, free Facebook strategies, engagement, and monetization. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So in this video, again, guys, I really want to talk about what I think is the biggest scam online right now, and specifically what I'm talking about is in the make money online, home business space. And it's no secret that there are just thousands and thousands and thousands of people, probably millions of people actually around the world who are trying to earn a living on the internet, especially now. The time I'm recording this, it's we're in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic and lockdown. Nobody knows how long this is going to last. Millions of people are out of work. There's just so many people trying to earn a living online, and especially people doing affiliate marketing, network marketing, some type of profession where they're actually trying to go out, connect with people, and make sales in some type of a business. And the biggest problem that I think people have is that they're being told by so many different gurus and experts on marketing and marketing online. They're being told that basically the way that online business works is to send traffic into a funnel. They have this idea that you can just sort of run cold traffic to a funnel and money will come out the other end. Or they have the idea that you can just kind of put out an offer on Facebook and money will come out the other end. And what they're not understanding is that this business it has to involve you. There's really, like, unless you're doing e-commerce where you're selling physical products or something, if you're doing affiliate marketing or certainly network marketing, there is not a way to build this business that doesn't involve you communicating with people on a daily basis. So I guess the biggest scam out there right now is people being told that they can be successful in this industry without communicating, like without doing videos, without getting on the phone, without messaging people, without creating content, writing content. It's like you cannot just hide behind your computer screen and post your link or something, or like buy traffic and send it to a sales page with like no video, no face, no actual interaction. No, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. So get rid of that idea. And the actual challenge of being successful in this business is actually not about selling. It's not about buying traffic. It's not about mastering sales funnels. It's not about any of that. It's actually in your own mind of actually flipping it and understanding that you need to actually communicate with people. See, this business it's so simple that it actually repels the mind. Like, all that is necessary to be successful in this business is connecting with people and being authentic and being real and communicating and communicating with a lot of people, creating an audience who is listening to you. And in order to do that, you have to connect with people and you have to be saying something, right? You have to be constantly communicating with your people. That's why I send out YouTube videos. That's why I make YouTube videos, right? That's why I'm here. That's why I have a Facebook group where I teach people my strategies on Facebook. That's why I do everything that I do. That's why I'm on Facebook at all, right? It's so that that's why I'm on YouTube, so that people can listen to what I have to say and get to know me, so that I can actually connect with you through the internet, through the medium of the internet and video and text and writing, and everything that I'm doing is trying to communicate my thoughts and my reality through the internet to you, right? And I see all these people out there who are trying to make money online, and they don't get that that's what they have to be doing. They think there's some kind of like trick that they can do, or some push button mechanical system or something that's going to just create money, and it doesn't work that way. Money comes from human beings who decide to invest something in you because they trust you. And they're never going to trust you if they have no idea who you are, because you're not communicating with them. Does that make sense? Like, you have to constantly be communicating with your people in a real, authentic, and valuable way. That's it. Like, it's not complicated, but it does require you to, step into leadership, to have, that's why this industry is really all about personal development. Is I think there's a lot of people who, they don't want to do this stuff. They don't want to communicate because they're insecure. They don't know, they don't believe that they have anything to say or something. And that's just not true, right? Everyone, there's so much out there that any person can take and communicate, right? Like, I say this all the time, but none of the ideas that I talk about, that I'm communicating to you in my videos or in my group or on Facebook or anything, none of these are like my ideas. I didn't make these things up, right? I mean, I'm just repeating to you things that I've learned over the years because they're true. So you don't have to be some kind of like original genius. You just have to be willing to communicate things that you're learning, and you got to be learning, right? So that's really the key to this. Is marketing, it's about lifting people up. It's about lifting yourself up and then turning back and offering a helping hand to those who are coming up behind you and lifting them up, right? I mean, when I was first starting, I would spend hours and hours and hours listening to videos and stuff of people doing exactly what I'm doing now. People trying to communicate to me what I needed to do to be successful in this business. I would follow marketers, I would listen to what they were saying, and I would spend a long time just trying to educate myself, just trying to wrap my head around what it is that I need to do. And eventually I kind of got it. And now I'm able to kind of reach behind me and offer a helping hand to those who are, not quite as far along the journey as I am. And obviously I've still got a long ways to go, and there's still people that I'm listening to and trying to learn from all the time, every single day, right? But that's what this industry is about. It's about you educating yourself and then turning around and sharing what you've learned with the people who are coming up behind you, because there will always be somebody who is newer than you, who knows less than you, and all you have to do is share what you're learning with them and connect with them and help them, right? So it's about, learn a strategy that works, learn an idea that's powerful and that's true, learn something, right? Turn around, help people to understand that, to understand what to do, to understand where to put their energy, to understand that, like, well, the idea that I'm communicating to you now, like, I just get so sick of seeing people who are just unwilling or afraid to put themselves in their business, to actually communicate with human beings. They think that, like, they can just post a link on Facebook or like buy traffic or something and then like not have any personal interaction with anyone, and not, it doesn't make any sense. So that, I think, is the biggest scam. That is what I teach and what I believe and what I find works the best, certainly in network marketing. And it's the most satisfying too, guys. I mean, like, there's a reason we're in this business. We could all, if we wanted to, I could, go and try to learn how to run an e-commerce store and sell dog toys on Shopify or something. I mean, like, that's a thing I could do, right? But I don't want to, because that's not fulfilling. You know what I mean? This industry is about helping each other, and it's about personal growth and development and communication, and that's what's satisfying about it. It's about teaching and helping people to grow and helping others to achieve their goals. And you just cannot be doing that. You can't be in this industry without being willing to actually do that. So I hope that made sense, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Also, if you're not in my free group on Facebook, I have a whole free group where I teach all my strategies for how to get crazy high engagement on Facebook, how to build a huge audience that loves what you do, what to say in Messenger when you're talking to people to close sales. Pretty much everything that I've done to create a full-time living on Facebook, I teach in my free group. So there'll be a link below this video to check out my Facebook group. If you're not in there, definitely hop in there. And if you have any questions, shoot me a message on Facebook and I'd be happy to chat. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Hope you're doing well, and we'll talk soon. Bye.